Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. We made it! Today is the day that our cookbook releases.
Woo!
And it is the plant-based air fryer cookbook. And so many of you have already been telling us that you've gotten it, and we're so happy that you love it, and thank you.
It means a lot to us.
It does mean a lot to us, and I can't say it enough. Thank you. And I also have to announce our cookbook winner.
Our giveaway winner.
Yes. So that is Brandy24TN. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Brandy.
I hope you enjoy your cookbook when it arrives.
Thank you, everyone,
Let us know how much you like it.
Yeah, thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway.
You're all awesome. I wish I could give away cookbooks to all of you guys because you all deserve it. But today I figured, since it's coming out, I would make a recipe from the dessert section.
Ooh!
So today we're making chickpea chip cookies. And this is a little bit different than the one that we've done in the past, because I think we've done this
before, but yeah, this one's healthier.
Yeah, healthy. Delicious, though. So normally I would use date paste, but you can also use monk fruit sweetener. There's a little tip in there. If you use monk fruit sweetener, though, you use the same amount, but you add a little bit more liquid. And the liquid that we're adding today is some oat milk. But we'll get there. Let's get started. This is one that you would do in the food processor, or I'm going to do this in my Vitamix blender because I've got the little plunger thing to make it happen. It's all happening, Sheena. All right, and I mean Sheena from Vanderpump Rules, but Sheena123, you too. So in here already, I have my natural peanut butter. I've got 1 can of chickpeas drained and rinsed if you'd like. I didn't rinse them, but you could. So we're going to stick those in there. We're also going to add the rest of our liquids, which is going to be 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And I'm going to measure it very carefully. And then we're also going to add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, because that's going to help give these a little bit of rise, because there's baking powder in it. So again, very carefully measured 1 teaspoon. And since we're using the monk fruit, like I said, we're going to do 2 tablespoons of the non-dairy milk, unsweetened. I hope that was enough. If not, we'll just add more. It's cool, you know? We'll just go with it. So let's come over to the blender and we'll get this all blended up. All right. This might be a little loud, kids.
Uh-oh.
I know. Oh, not too bad. I'm going to turn it up a little bit. We want this to be smooth, so, yeah, like hummus. All right, we are all blended up here, so we're going to add it to the dry bowl. And in the dry bowl, we have our monk fruit sweetener. We have, well, this is Lakanto. This is my favorite brand of monk fruit sweetener, by the way. For some reason on the bag it says autism friendly. I don't know what that's got to do with it, but okay. And we have some homemade oat flour, which I just took oats and ground up in my Vitamix. And then we have our baking powder. And then we have some dark chocolate chips here that are accidentally vegan.
Yum.
Yes. So we're just going to scrape all of our sweet hummus. Well, it's not sweet yet, but we're going to scrape it all in here, and then we're going to give it a good mix. All right, I've rescued all of the mixture from the blender, and now we're going to just mix it up in this bowl that's probably not big enough. I guess that's my MO. I never choose a bowl that's big enough.
Ooh, I smell that peanut butter.
Yes. Isn't it delicious?
It is.
All right, so in the cookbook, and this is completely true, no one has ever said that it tasted like chickpeas.
Right. Yeah, nobody ever suspects that it's made from chickpeas.
Right. They just think it's 100% delicious.
And they're right.
Yes, they are. So now, I believe we're going to preheat our air fryer to 320. 320 degrees for 13 minutes.
Are you okay?
No. 320 for 13 minutes. So we'll come over here. We're going to bake 320 for 13 minutes. And we're going to press start while we, I've already got my parchment paper already on my rack. If you have the basket style one, just put the parchment paper in the bottom. I'm going to use a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop. I'm not going to bore you doing each of these. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do to each of these. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So you just wet your hand, obviously, so it doesn't stick to your hand, and you just want to flatten these out slightly so that it's a cookie shape. So just fill up your tray, and we're going to pop it in there as soon as it's preheated. All right, here we are. They're all out of the oven.
They
My
smell
husband
so
already
good.
stole one.
Yes, he did.
He couldn't help himself because it's so good.
All right. I see a nice... Ooh, this is ooey gooey.
It's still warm. That one.
That was
might
a
have
little
just-
hot.
Yeah, take ones from the outer.
It's a little too hot for me. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful.
They're soft, just like you like them. You
I
can make them a
love
little
soft
crunchier
cookies.
if you want to leave them in another minute or so.
Delicious.
All right.
That is so good.
And sugar-free, oil-free, salt-free.
You wouldn't know it. It has a nice sweetness to it.
Yeah.
But it's not overbearing. Like you're going to throw up when you're done.
Yeah. Thank you for that.
Well, it's true. Sometimes you eat a cookie and then you're just like, bleh.
Does that speak chickpea to you?
No.
Okay.
Honestly, if I had to guess, like, the unusual ingredient in here,
Mm-hmm.
I would think it was, like, banana or something.
Right.
Because it has, like, that seam
Right.
texture.
Mm-hmm.
I would not guess chickpea.
All right.
So good.
Whoa. All right. Well, congratulations to you.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you. Today's the day.
Yes.
Available everywhere.
Not everywhere, but a lot
Almost
of places.
everywhere.
We almost just died because we saw that it's on, of course we knew it was on Amazon, but it's also on Target.com, Walmart.com,
Barnes and
Barnes
Noble.
and Noble. So,
I'm
very
sure other
exciting.
places too.
yeah. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching.
And thanks to everybody who already got their copy. We really
Mhm.
appreciate you guys, and we hope you enjoy it.
Yes. And until next time, much love.